Hi, we're gonna make stir fry lobster with mixed vegetable. That's the lobster we're gonna use. Lobster tail. We're gonna use three of them. They're about 3 to 4 ounces each. We need to take the shell out like that, you know. So you don't need the shell. So you just like that, like that. So you can wash them a little bit. Okay. Then you cut it like around 3 pieces. Like that. And the other one, so you just cut it to half. Like that. And you take the meat out. And you can wash them a little bit. Sometimes they have some little guts in it, you know, little cuts. Okay. Then you cut these two into 3 pieces. Like that. Okay. All you have to do is just soak up some water. You just soak up some water, so see, like that. See, they're pretty dry. So, okay. So now we're gonna marinate them. All you have to do is just put some white pepper in it, just a little white pepper, and salt. And also still cooking wine. Okay, just an egg white, 1 egg white. You take the yolk out, like that. And so you mix them together. Like that. Okay, then you put some mix some cornstarch in it. So a little bit at a time. So that's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. You don't want it too runny, or you don't want it too dry. So. Okay, that's about right. That's about right. Okay, so now after that, we're gonna put some oil in it. Like that. Then you mix them up. Okay, let me turn on the heat, and I'm gonna wash my hand. So we're gonna put some oil in there. All right, then now we're gonna put some the lobster in it. Oh. And you don't want to make it real crispy and brown because that's lobster, see? And just make it just a little light brown, be okay. Otherwise they get too dry and tough. See, just a little brown. And that's it. I think this is cooked. Let me see. Get some level oil here. It's not enough, so we're gonna add some more. We're gonna use some vegetable in it. That's included like ginger, garlic, and onions, and carrot, and celery, and mushroom, and regular button mushroom. Okay, and that's it. Then we're gonna put that in. And you're going to turn the heat down a little bit, and after that you're going to put the other stuff in it. We're going to put a little bit of cooking wine in it, 1 tablespoon of cooking sherry cooking wine. And you put the mushroom in it. Okay. And we're gonna cook little water in. 3/4 of the cup here. And we cover them up around 5 minutes. Okay, that's about done. See, you can see or you can check it with a fork or something. But yeah, you see. Okay. Then all you have to do, because it look like we need a bit, if it's too dry, we just add some water. You just add enough water so you can see some water on the. See, you can see some water on top. See, that's it. All right. So we're gonna put some seasoning in it. We put 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. 1 oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. And we're gonna put the lobster in it right now. And after that, we're gonna use a little water with little cornstarch. Just want to thicken the sauce a little bit. So put some in it. There we go. So you can see them not running anymore, so I think that's it. And put the onions in it at the end. And now we're gonna scoop them up. Okay, this is stir fry lobster with mixed vegetable.